Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're uncovering the secrets of how doctors cleanse their intestines using a simple yet powerful method. Stay tuned as we reveal the surprising ingredient you can add to boiling water for a thorough intestinal cleanse. Have you ever wondered how doctors maintain their gut health and cleanse their intestines? It turns out the solution may be simpler than you think. All you need to do is add a dash of insert ingredient name to boiling water. This natural ingredient has been used for centuries for its cleansing properties and is trusted by medical professionals for promoting digestive health. All you need to do is add a pinch of dried shepherd's purse to boiling water. This natural ingredient has been used for centuries for its cleansing properties and is trusted by medical professionals to promote digestive health. When consumed regularly, works wonders in flushing out toxins and impurities from the intestines, leaving you feeling lighter, more energized, and with improved overall well-being. Doctors recommend incorporating this simple ritual into your routine to support a healthy gut and enhance your body's natural detoxification processes. Plus, it's easy, affordable, and can be done right in the comfort of your own home. As we conclude, remember that maintaining a healthy gut is essential for overall health and well-being. By following the advice of medical professionals and incorporating insert ingredient name into your daily regimen, you can take proactive steps towards better digestive health and vitality. Thank you for joining us today as we explored how doctors cleanse their intestines with a simple yet effective method. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and wellness advice.